And imagine, I'm only 15 when I plan to have a very responsible life on my own, and voila, I am already 18 and everything is not yet under the plan. So today I just want to feel myself to really continue what I really wanted before. I don't know if I can make it consistent and really do this, but I just wanted to try and try. Even though I'm failing, I know that. I know that I'm failing with this area because in the past 3 years that I'm trying to do this, I can't make it. You know, I'm. I don't regret that I didn't try it harder. I didn't regret that I didn't make it. It's learning for me that maybe because mm, maybe because that's not the right time for me to do this. Maybe this time. So, in order to do that, I need to keep trying and as much as possible be consistent in filming and making videos. So, in this video I just wanted to tell you that I'm already the I'm already 18 and everything is not going to go with the plan that you make something, because God there is God who's planning everything for you. Maybe because that time I'm not really that goal oriented or something that makes me do this or makes me pursue this. I'm not really that strong enough to be in this dream, you know. And there is so much thing that I never regret happened in my past 3 years rather, uh, mistakenly, and I never regret that it happened to me. And also, I'm just enjoying the process of learning and making mistakes in my life. So, at the moment, I really just wanted to continue and pursue this and make it happen as much as possible. And maybe I can make it come true if I keep trying and never give up on this. I would never. So, you just continue. And the moment I feel I don't really have a topic to talk about, so I just, if I'm feeling motivated or something to talk about something, then I would film. But as much as I can, I want to motivate myself to doing things that I wanted to pursue. I want to continue everything with little steps, step by step. I won't rush myself and be aggressive with everything that I need to do, because that is not going to work. Honestly, that is one thing that I learned this past years. Because if you remember, when I was 15, I was starting to film something, and then until 16 I didn't make it because I was so doubt about myself if I can really make it. And there's so much thing going on, procrastination and validation from others, if I can really what I can be really what I am. So that is a problem that's stopping me on doing this. So in 2016 I was really no, not 2016, and at the age of 16 I was really into YouTube and making videos and filming myself. But unfortunately I still failed. So, and at age of 17, there's so much thing going on that happened in my life that make me learn something a lot. So at 18 this time already, I just wanted to continue this, and hopefully I can make it now and learn and make mistake. So see ya guys in my next video, I think, because I don't want to edit this video because I want to show you what I am, or what really I am when making mistakes, and I didn't even know, I didn't have a script at all in making this video. I just wanted to show you who really I am, who I am with no makeup, with just me talking to myself and the phone in front of me, because I didn't have a camera yet. Because before I really wanted to have a camera already, but unfortunately I can't afford that at the moment because I am not we are not financially stable, and sad to say, it is life. So I just gonna stick to I'm just going to stick on what I have, which is my phone. I can make videos on my phone, right? So make it useful, not in other things. See ya.